How to download and install WinRAR on PC. Go to the first link in the description. You're now on the WinRAR page. Click Download WinRAR on the right. A second page will load, but click Download WinRAR again. Wait for a few seconds and your download will start. Put the file on your desktop. Go to your desktop and run the exe you just downloaded. Click Yes on the pop-up you get when you launch it. Scroll to the bottom of the license agreement, then click Install. Then you'll see the setup window, which shows all the file extensions that will change to WinRAR. Keep these settings all the same if you don't know what they do. Next, just click OK. You should see WinRAR has been successfully installed. Now you will see the page saying that WinRAR isn't a free software and you must purchase the license soon. But don't worry, you don't actually have to get it. You will get pop-ups here and there asking you to buy the full version, but you can close them out easily. Click Done and now you'll see Thank you for installing WinRAR. Run the WinRAR shortcut in the file that just opened, and you should see all the files on your desktop. Finally, if there's any file you have that you would like to zip into WinRAR, simply right-click on it and hit Add to Archive. Now you've successfully installed WinRAR and you can go back to my other videos that require WinRAR for the tutorial. Done.